Tonight, we have new information about one of the last people to communicate with Libby German before she and Abby Williams were killed in Delphi more than 5 years ago. Two podcasters who've broken several stories about the investigation tipped us off to court documents that show Indiana State Police have additional interest in Keegan Kline.
We got those court documents, and Fox 59's Russ McQuaid joins us now from the newsroom with some new developments.
Keegan Kline already faces 30 counts of child pornography that were uncovered by Delphi investigators looking into the unsolved murders of Abby Williams and Libby German. And now it would appear from some court documents revealed by the Murder Sheet podcast that perhaps Kline recently went on a road trip with Indiana State troopers. Libby German and Abby Williams were walking on the Monon High Bridge east of Delphi on February 13, 2017. Later that afternoon, a frantic search began that ended with the tragic discovery of the girls' bodies upstream from the bridge on the banks of Deer Creek. As investigators and the public have been frustrated by the search for the killer, Murder Sheet podcasters Anne Kane and Kevin Greenlee have dug into the case to uncover key court documents, and they're back tonight with their latest find. This court order giving the Indiana State Police temporary custody of Keegan Kline, who Delphi investigators discovered was communicating with Libby German through a social media app the night before the girls disappeared, while at the same time Kline's attorney is asking to delay his client's pretrial conference because, quote, negotiations are going on.
It seems like a reasonable assumption would be that Keegan Kline made some sort of arrangement with representatives of the Indiana State Police to help provide some information about where some significant piece of evidence could be found.
And on Tuesday, Greenlee and Kane were in Peru snapping these photos of a state police search of the Wabash River.
Our understanding from anonymous sources is that that search is connected to something involving Keegan Kline.
Keegan Kline does not face any charges related to the Delphi case, though the podcasters who say they follow court filings and tips, not scenarios and speculation, continue to believe that investigators believe the Kline line of inquiry may be the best bet they've got to solve the Delphi killings.
The Kline lead is very much at the forefront here.
We asked both the state police and the FBI for comment on these latest findings. Meanwhile, you can catch up with the latest from the podcasters Kane and Greenlee on the Murder Sheet podcast, which dropped a new episode today. In the newsroom, Russ McQuaid, Fox 59 News.
Russ, thank you. Indiana State Police have never named Kline a suspect in the Delphi murder case, and no arrests have ever been made in that investigation. Authorities continue to ask for tips. If you know anything that could help them solve this case, you can contact them through the phone number or email address you see on your screen. And for our entire coverage of the Delphi murder case and the investigation into Keegan Kline, just go to our website, fox59.com.